everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So today's video is going to be a quick unboxing of an aluminum laptop, notebook, tablet stand. I'll get the exact name because I've forgotten it off the top of my head, but I'll post it up here and then I'll try and put it in the description as well. So this is just a low-cost aluminum laptop stand, basically, is what I bought it for. So when we open the box, it looks like it's fairly well wrapped. So it comes in bubble wrap inside of the box. And the box itself was inside of a big Amazon box when I bought it. So it does have some padding here for making sure that the vibrations aren't that noticeable. And it extends. So it's a bit hard to bend the joints, but that's a good thing. The base also has 4 pads for making sure that it doesn't scuff your table and things like that. Overall, it looks like it's a decent stand. I mean, for what I paid, I think it was like 30 bucks, and I'll post that up here as well when I get the exact amount, but $25 to $35 what I believe I spent. And so it just extends and you put it on your table and off you go. I mean, it arrived in good shape and looks pretty nice. It's aluminum, which is always a good one. And then with these pads, it won't scratch your laptop and your laptop won't scratch it. And so I'm going to put this to some use later, and I'll see about putting an update in the messages down below to let you all know how well it worked or didn't work. And that way we can figure out if it's an item that you might want. So it looks very sleek, professionally done, arrived in good shape. So overall, I like it and I'm going to put it to some good use. So anyway, that's today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. So again, if you enjoyed this video, found it informational or educational as well as entertaining, make sure you hit that like button down below. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment down in the comment section. And as always, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button that I'm going to post right about here. And that way you can keep up to date on our new videos as well as our community section. So thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Bye for now.